guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for everyone who is new here, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing a realistic clean with me. I have been sick the past few days, so I have been lacking and behind on my cleaning, so I just wanted to get this all finished within a couple days. But before I get started, I just wanted to go over this awesome NewAir AB 1200X 126 can beverage fridge. I have worked with this company quite a few times and I absolutely love their high quality items. This little fridge is a powerful compressor that allows you to set temperatures between 34 and 64 degrees. It also has a split shelf on the top so you can double your storage by turning your cans sideways. I didn't have any cans to do this, so I didn't show that part, but I will leave links in the description box below so you'll be able to check that out. I have a smaller fridge that holds 80 cans. This one holds 126, which holds so many more, and I wanted to switch these out now because I was running low on energy drinks and pop and all our beverages. This also has a durable stainless steel door and double paned glass, and it looks so nice in any single room. I also like this one because it has a key and a lock, so if you do keep some alcoholic beverages in there, your children will not be able to get in there unless they have this key. And it also, you are able to add a handle onto this, which my other one did not, and these are very energy efficient, so this only costs about $61 per month. I mostly use this for energy drinks, and yes, I like them perfect and I like them lined up really nicely. I didn't have very many to put in here. I couldn't believe how much storage this stored, especially when I only have quite a few drinks, and I thought this was like a lot, but it really wasn't compared to this little fridge. And then, of course, most of you know that Presley always has to help me, so I took out some drinks so she could put them in here as well. But now I'm just going to be getting started on cleaning the kitchen. The kitchen wasn't really that bad, but I did want to wipe all the counters down because I haven't in probably like a few days, and that is unlike me. I do that every single day. And there's my cat Elvis trying to help me. He like seriously gets in my way all the time. But I wanted to also clean off the microwave. That has just become like a storage unit for me, and I cannot stand when that happens. So I just wanted to get that cleaned up as well. But like I said, this really wasn't that bad, but I did want to wipe everything down, and I also wanted to mop and sweep the floors.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry, but still I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive.
And I'm not too sure what was going on with my camera. In quite a few clips you can see it like leaning. I don't know what happened, and I don't know if it was just like really loose or something. I'm not sure, but you're going to see that in kind of a few of these I did notice. And then I am just going to use the Bissell Crosswave to clean my floors, and Presley thought it was so cool to help me hold the cord. And I just use vinegar and water in here. I do hot water and vinegar, and this works so well, and it's so much more inexpensive than having to actually buy the Bissell cleaner. I think it works just as good. I've used both, and I just prefer the vinegar over any other kind of chemical, especially since Presley loves like crawling on the floor and putting like everything on a wet floor.
Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys.
And we did end up moving the bench out along with the can beverage refrigerator so we could put the new one in, and I was just unwrapping the cord and plugging it in. With this, you do have to plug it in 30 minutes before you start actually adding beverages, so that is just what I did. And like I said, I will leave the links in the description box below if you do want to check out this NewAir AB 1200X 126 can beverage fridge, and there'll also be a promo code as well. And then now I'm just wiping all the chairs down and the table, and I'm hoping this is the last video you have to see me clean these chairs and table. I ordered a new one during Thanksgiving or Cyber Monday. I can't remember what, but it was such a good deal. I got it off Target, so I am hoping that everything comes the next couple weeks. So the next cleaning video I do, it will have the new table, and you can already see the new chairs sitting over there. I got 2 of them, and then I'm just waiting for the rest of the items to come. It is such a hassle. Like, I don't even know what I'm going to do with the other table and chairs, or like what if I don't like the new table and chairs and we put it all together.
Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away.
And I thought I would be super productive today and move that little chest out. We keep all of like our dinosaurs and stuff in there, so there's like tons of toys in there. And I did want to move the couch out because it has been a while since I've moved the couch out and cleaned underneath it. So I wanted to see what kind of goodies I could find under there. And there actually wasn't a lot. Usually there's like tons and tons of toys and stuff that get like lost underneath the couch, but it really wasn't that bad. I think this is actually from our old rug that we had. It was just falling apart, and it always left all that dust and stuff like that underneath. So I was so excited to get rid of that rug because it was such a mess. And then there's fruit snacks and like some crackers and stuff like that. And the Bissell Crosswave does not clean up fruit snacks, and I'm not gonna lie, like I tried cleaning up a like cracker, they're like little Scooby snack crackers, and it got stuck in the roller, so that's why I had to tear it apart.
You can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way.
So now that that was done, I was just moving everything back. It was such a relief. Now I don't have to do this for like another 10 months because I don't do this too often. Our couch always seems to fall apart because it just like holds itself together like in between, and it's such a hassle to like put it back together. And then now I'm picking up all these cards. Presley like stuck, she loves playing on the TV stand, and I don't know why, but there's always toys and everything all over the TV stand, and I can't get her to stop. Like, I don't want the TV to fall on her, but like she loves that TV stand, so I can't stop her sometimes. But I'm just using Method all-purpose cleaner in the grapefruit smell to clean all of this, and Presley wanted to help, but her sleeves were soaking wet because while I was doing the dining room, she was playing in water in the bathroom, and she made a huge mess, and I didn't even clean it. I didn't even walk in there. I knew what she did. I knew her clothes were soaking wet, so I had to change them right after I did all of this. But I was just picking up all of her toys. We like to play in here, and this table has been like everything to us. I know it's like always in my way, but they eat on it, they play on it, so I mean it's fine. It works for us. That's what works for all of us, so we just leave it there. And I have never used the Crosswave on this rug, but it was really hard, and I don't know why, but it was super, super hard to go through. And if you can see Presley grab like all the pillows and put everything on the rug, this is seriously what happens when I clean. Like, I swear, everybody says your house is always clean when you do a cleaning video. I don't know why you have to clean. Seriously, like, I don't show you everything. Like, I show you what is clean. And then now this is the next day. I ran out of time and patience, and I just was not feeling well. So this is the next day, and we're in Presley's room. This has been in her room for days like this. I have been walking over stuff to clean everything up. This is like these like fun little VTech toys that they put together. So thank you, Mom, for buying all this big stuff for Presley so I can clean it up. So I'm just putting everything in her closet. I had to do laundry that has been sitting there for a couple days, so I was just getting all of her stuff cleaned up first. I ended up doing Scarlett's room after this, but I don't show Scarlett's room just because she's kind of like at that age where she's 8, and like she has pictures of her friends and like personal stuff in her room, so I think that like her room is a very private thing. So that's why I don't show Scarlett's room on here. And while I was doing Presley's laundry, she took to her little toy box in her room and started dumping everything inside her crib. And I don't know when people start taking their children out of cribs, but she will probably be in one forever because I feel like if she doesn't have one, she's going to escape and like never ever sleep.
Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. 'Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance.
Yep, and this is what she was doing while I was doing clothes. But this is the only way I can actually get anything done, is by cleaning up something and her making a bigger mess. So I just let it happen. And then the last thing I'm going to do in Presley's room is just vacuum. I didn't dust or anything. I didn't really feel like it needed that. But I do just always go around their rooms every now and then when I think it's dusty and just wipe everything down. So it's definitely not dusty in her room. And I just really wanted to pick a lot of stuff up. And she was being such a good helper. And then now I had to save her from falling out of her crib. Yes, and then lastly, I am taking care of everything that she stuck in her crib while I was doing her laundry. And then now I wanted to tackle the laundry room. I had 4 loads of laundry just sitting here, and I wanted to get everything done before it started wrinkling. And then I already threw a load in the washer, and this was like the worst thing ever. Our laundry room's pretty big, but it's not big enough to hold this much laundry and this much stuff. And I also wanted to vacuum and mop. I just use a Swiffer mop when I'm upstairs. It works just good enough. Does anybody use a Swiffer anymore? Because I feel like nobody uses a Swiffer mop. But I like it. I think it just works with like our small rooms and like the laundry room and our bathrooms upstairs. And that's what I always use it for.
Touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets.
So I started wrapping gifts, and I do it in our master bedroom. So this room is just going to be messy until Christmas time because I'm constantly doing wrapping and bows and ribbon and all kinds of stuff like that. So it's just going to stay messy with my tote of all kinds of stuff. And then I'm pretty close to being done wrapping presents. So I'm pretty thrilled about that. But I just like vacuuming this room every single time I'm upstairs, and that's only because we have animals and they shed so bad. I actually had to clean my little filter out of the vacuum when I was done because my little, what is it called? My little storage thing for dirtiness. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I can't think of what it's called. But it was jam-packed full of just hair and dust. It was just over the top disgusting. And then I also wanted to vacuum in the bathroom along with Swiffer it as well. This bathroom was already pretty clean, so I didn't have to do a whole lot. We just cleaned the bathroom the other day, like the bathtub and the toilet and the sinks and stuff like that. I still seriously have to paint 2 of my doors on the cabinet. It is not done, and it's been like this for months. I just seriously have to just get the patience and the energy to paint. Alright you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gives you some motivation because like I said, I've been sick the past few days, so even if you are sick, you can get motivated to clean just like I did. But if you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and make sure you check out the NewAir links in the description box below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!